Number 1. Avocados. Merely half of one avocado contains 10 grams of healthy monosaturated fats, which stop the blood sugar spikes that tell your body to store fat around your midsection. Not only do healthy fats in avocado help thwart belly bloat, they also help our bodies better absorb carotenoids, cancer-fighting compounds found in colorful fruits and veggies like tomatoes, carrots, spinach, and winter squash. In fact, people who ate salads with avocado had 15 times higher absorption of carotenoids, a study from the Ohio State University at Columbus found. Number 2. Bananas. The fruit packs 422 milligrams of potassium, a mineral that can help limit the amount of belly-swelling sodium in your body. Number 3. Yogurt. A cup encourages the growth of good bacteria in your gut, throwing out other bugs that can cause bloating. Creamy Greek yogurt is yummy, but it's also much more than that. Its combo of carbs and protein helps stabilize insulin, a hormone that tells your body to store calories as fat when levels get too high. Number 4. Berries. Antioxidants can improve blood flow, delivering more oxygen to muscles so revealing cardio is easier. Have some yogurt and berries before your workout to get those muscles ready for action. Number 5. Chocolate skim milk. A glass teams carbohydrates with protein to promote muscle building. Drink post-workout to speed recovery. Plus, you are getting that calcium to make your bones stronger. Chocolate milk is not just for kids. Number 6. Green tea. 3 cups daily may rev up your metabolism and burn 30 calories, a study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise shows. The compound ECGC in the tea makes it easier to burn fat. Number 7. Citrus. Supermarket shocker, vitamin C in colorful produce like oranges and red peppers can help you zap up to 30% more fat during exercise, research from Arizona State University at Mesa suggests. Number 8. Whole grains carb lovers, rejoice. The filling fiber in foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and bulgur aids in keeping your body's insulin levels low. Researchers speculate this may shrink fat cells. Your body absorbs and burns these more slowly for longer lasting energy than the refined carbs in white bread and rice. Subscribe our channel for more informational videos.